Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to summit Picacho Peak. It's a difficult hike that took us about 3.5 hours at a leisurely pace. Be sure to bring ample water and gloves to protect your hands from the steel cables. You'll need to take advantage of them during the hike.
There it is, right there. It's a peak. And that is the saddle.
At least that's what we think,
That's
and we may be wrong.
possibly. We are now considerably higher than what we thought was the peak over here. So,
Really though, that was her theory. Not
yeah, he agreed with my theory though.
I never said I
He
agreed.
completely agreed. He was like,
Oh.
that's totally the peak.
No.
Yeah.
So this is the view that we're used to. And now here's the other side. That we haven't seen. And this must be the peak. So here the trail's going back down. And we're hoping that it goes back up again. Or else. Or else.
Or-
This was another misadventure.
That
I
will
was-
somehow be my fault.
I was told to embark on by my
Yeah,
wife.
see, there it is. There it is. Blame the wife.
Thinking and I close my eyes, everything is black and white. I can't tell if we're getting closer. Running up against the tide, I could go my whole life.
For anyone who's wondering, our babies, Buttercup and Noodles. This is obviously not a dog-friendly hike for them. So they're at home in our trailer, and we're monitoring them with our Ring cameras and the Ring app, which we highly recommend. Not sure about this. So is it this way? Or this way with no cable?
Find your peace of mind, you don't always have to climb. We can just stay under covers. Leave the old world behind when everybody's going
trailer and our babies are. This is the last leg before hitting the summit. My finger is bleeding and I don't know how. It's definitely a difficult trail, not for kids, not for seniors either, unless you're in super shape. I'm gonna flip you around now so you can see what I see. We spent a week camping in Picacho Peak State Park and highly recommend it. And just 1 mile away is the Rooster Cogburn Ostrich Ranch, an awesome animal farm that we also recommend checking out. Thanks for watching.